Getting XRP on the Coinbase app is really easy to do. First thing you're going to want to do is to go to the App Store and actually get the Coinbase app. If you don't have it and don't have a login, that is step one. Next, you're going to want to open up the Coinbase app like so and simply go to the search bar in the top middle of the screen. From here, you simply want to type in the word XRP. Click on XRP. As you can see, there's a lot of fake XRP, so make sure you're clicking on the right one. And as you can see, we can see the data, the weeks, month, and so on for XRP, and scroll down and see the data like so. But if we click on the buy and sell option in the bottom left of the screen and click on the buy, you can simply see we can add XRP to our Coinbase account. If we want to add $10, you type that in and click on the pay with option. You can either pay with Apple Pay or you can actually pay with another payment method such as the crypto coins that you have in this account already. Add a payment method at the bottom middle of the screen, paying with your bank account, debit card, or PayPal like so. Now, once you've actually linked your bank account, debit card, or whatever payment method of your choice, you simply want to click on the review order option and click on the buy now option in the bottom middle of the screen.